like this. Come on, wait, I don't want to hear you.
Hello and welcome to another Bunny and Teddy video diary, and in this one we're going to take you back to the year 2014. Yes, 10 years ago, and when Bunny turned 42. Now, as you know, I like to make Bunny's birthdays really special, and one thing that is documented very well within the family and friends sort of circle is that she loves anything to do with aeroplanes. Now, if she isn't on a plane, the next best thing is to be near planes. And one of the best places to go to be near planes is probably Manchester Airport's Runway. Now, Runway is a visitors centre, but back in 2014 it seemed to be a bit of a random place to see planes. Quite a few airports have got viewing platforms where you can actually see them come in, land, take off, taxi around a bit, all that sort of thing. But back in 2014, Runway wasn't really set up completely for that sort of thing. Now, you could see planes land, taxi and take off, and there was a shop, a picnic area sort of thing. Not sure about anything else to do with food other than bring your own. There was a bit of a museum feel to it with some old aircraft just dotted about. The shop sold memorabilia, even air traffic control radios, and then basically you had Concorde in a hangar. You could have tours to go around that, even champagne tours. Then of course the infamous mound where you could stand, take photos, film the planes coming in. So thinking on these terms, I took the plunge and booked a couple of nights at the Holiday Inn on Runga Lane, and at the time the hotel was having a bit of a facelift, so as you went in you were basically in the middle of a building site sort of thing. But we weren't really there for the hotel on this occasion, we were there for the Runway Visitors Centre. I picked this hotel specifically because it's only a 20-minute walk to Runway, and you walk along the main road, but then you cut off down this pathway which basically came to like a crossroads sort of thing. You got a pub on one of the corners there, and you could hear the aeroplanes as you were walking past this pub. There were people sitting outside because it was May, and then you walk down this little lane and you could see planes dotted up above you as you were walking down towards it. So you can imagine the excitement as we saw a Monarch aeroplane standing there above us as we walked through to where it was, where the entrance was. Now, as we entered, there was a man in a deck chair with his book and pen and like a canopy to shield him from the sun. He got all his paraphernalia around him. He was listening into the tower for the next aeroplane, and I think it was coming in from Florida or something. He was telling us he was taking it really seriously. So I filmed a few clips, I took a load of photos. So I've put together this for you to see what was there back in 2014. We were there for a few hours to look at everything as well, so there was plenty to see and take in. So enjoy what you see now. Listen out for the bunny getting all excited and also a little upset at one or two bits in the background. This is pre-vlogging, pre-YouTube for us, so bear with the footage, but enjoy what you see, and rejoin me after all the clips. Shh.
You can't get you in any place when it's taking a picture. There you are. to rotate. Rotated. And he's in the trees.
Oh, far away, isn't it? You take
Yeah, I'm trying to record it. It's not the easiest thing to keep track of.
Jesus. Go away, fly bee. Go away, I don't want to hear you. Thank you. Thank you. Right, come on. Let's see you, let's see you. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, please. Oh. Yes.
Off she goes.
Ooh, sorry, is that me?
So, hope you enjoyed that little montage of videos and photos. Now, that was back in 2014. If you go now, you'll see a completely different setup. If you look at the website, you've got a lot of things to look through here, and it's a family orientated sort of area now. They've even got a lot more features than before. So you've got the aircraft, you've got Concorde, as I've said, these sit in the hangar and you can have a tour of it, but then they've got a Nimrod there and a Trident to look through as well, and there's that Monarch DC-10. They've got an Avro there as well, and one or two other planes to look round in that area. Dining, well, there wasn't any dining when we were there, as far as I can remember, and now they've got a proper cafe. Booking things, you've got a flight simulator there now. You never had that before, and all the tours as well of all the planes. As I've said before, it's family friendly now, so there's a play area, there's a club there for junior flyers, whatever that is, probably for that simulator. There's that mound that you can stand on, and there's events like 1940s events with lots of things, 1940s stuff. The shop is well kitted out with all what you expect an aviation shop to have. You've got model planes, you've got clothing here, you've got books on it, on the subjects in everywhere, you've got postcards there. They're all models you can make up. There's an example there of an Emirates plane, cuddly toys. You've even got kits for airport things, so if you can make up a model trains and all that, you've got the similar sort of thing for making up your own airport. And then what with the model planes, sky's the limit. It's a fantastic little shop, and you can even hire the area out for a unique event experience in the Concord Conference Centre. Just make up your own thing really. So there's a lot to do there. It's a great day out, it seems. If you're into planes in any way, shape or form, you're going to love that place. The Runway Visitors Centre, it's an absolute gem for aviating buffs out there. We'll be back there soon, I'm sure. I think the bunny will be certainly wanting to go back there once she sees that website. So stay tuned for a video on it, possibly in the future. But in the meantime, we will be looking forward to the first video in our Greek series. It will come around the end of March, I should think. The series should start, so click the bell if you've already subscribed. If you're not subscribed, then obviously you've got to do that and click the bell to be notified of that series coming up. So until that first video of the Greek series, bye for now.